Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Maryam, and today I want to chat about, are they covertly narcissistic? And this is about spotting the red flags, identifying them and honoring them before entering into a committed relationship with somebody or deepening your friendship with someone, right? So you really want to pay attention to what is unfolding as you get to know somebody. And one of the best ways to identify who the person can be is to introduce boundaries. So when you choose to set a boundary with somebody, that's the moment that they are going to reveal to you what is happening inside of them. Whether they've healed themselves or whether they're challenged by their own ego. So the moment called boundary setting, to me, is one of the best approaches that enables you to see what is going on deep down in that person. And lately, I decided to set boundaries with somebody who is a friend to a friend of mine. So I was talking to this friend of mine about my intention. I was telling her that I wanted to set boundaries with the person with whom she shares a friendship. Her reaction was so loud. She literally got involved. All I was expressing was, hey, look, I'm honoring you by letting you know that I will be setting boundaries with this other person because I'm not feeling comfortable in their presence. So I'm just going to be honest with them and let them know that I'm not pursuing a friendship. This friend of mine lost it. Her ego showed up. And when people are covertly narcissistic, their ego is very fragile. That's the first sign. These guys don't tolerate you putting yourself first. Your emotional safety means nothing to them. What matters to them is their image. They don't want you to be authentic. They want to make sure that their image is going to be okay. So what she did, she picked sides. She picked sides in a way that she said, well, that person is innocent. They haven't done anything to you. They haven't done anything wrong by you. You must not say anything. You're going to hurt them. She literally guilt tripped me for my authenticity and for how I was feeling inside, that my intuition wants me to set boundary with this other person. And there I was, she was questioning my boundary setting, guilt tripping me, and questioning my authenticity, my sense of autonomy and my integrity, right? She said things like, by you setting boundaries, you're gonna make me feel upset. She was saying that, don't you know that I love you? And I was, but what has it to do with your love for me? The fact that I want to set boundaries and I'm guided to do so has nothing to do with your love towards me and for me. So you see, guys, there is emotional toxicity in this cohort called covertly narcissistic. They punish you by not showing up once you express yourself that you want to set boundaries. They guilt trip you. They withdraw love from you. She literally couldn't have compassion towards my emotional safety. What she said instead was that it was threatening her, that I was wrong, and that the other girl is innocent, and I must not do it, that I'm going to be hurting her. So there was no sense of compassion towards my need for emotional safety. And then after this conversation, the next day, she didn't show up. So instead of communicating, she disappeared. She wanted to say that, look, my absence speaks volumes. So you see, guys, the fragile ego in this cohort called covertly narcissistic people doesn't allow them to be emotionally healthy. So you're going to identify the red flags. You must speak your truth regardless of what they are going to say, how they are going to react. If you need to set boundaries, you must do it, and you must honor yourself. You see, as I said, when you decide to set boundaries, you get to know the other person. And if they're going to question you, and if they're going to reject you or withhold love from you or challenge you on setting healthy boundaries, take that as a sign, as a form of red flag, and honor what you have found out and realized about them. Don't question yourself, and don't ignore the red flags. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to honor your soul, to honor your journey. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.